Hello friends, welcome to my videos. So in this video we are going to learn Microsoft Power Apps. As you know, Microsoft Power Apps have been introduced with Office 365. It's a new feature and it has got excellent BI capabilities. In fact, in order to uh, create BI applications, you don't longer need any technical knowledge. It's UI based and you can pull your data from various data sources like SharePoint, online, on-premise and others with just UI interface. So we are going to use it. So how I'm going to show you it to you is that in front of you SharePoint online site is open with the list A. You see some sample data is here. So I'm going to manipulate this data using Power Apps. So this is how I go. If you go and click on this Office 365 button, you see this Power Apps. Yeah, here. So the same I have opened here, and now I'm gonna use it. So I'm gonna create a new app for you. So I click on New App. It's loading. And then I will show you how I'm gonna proceed with this. And it's loaded. So it shows you that from where you want to pull the data out. So SharePoint, Dynamics, OneDrive, Salesforce, and you have more. So for this training video, we are going to pull from SharePoint. So I select SharePoint phone layout. Okay. Now it's going to ask me the URL of the SharePoint site where the list is from which we are going to pull the data out. So based on my activities, it lists the sites that I have recently accessed. So our list is in this site, publishing 2, so I select this. And now it's going to list out all the lists available in this site. So our target is A, select A, scroll down, and you have the option of next. Sorry, connect. Yeah. Now it's creating the app. Okay. So by default, it has created an app for you. You have multiple options that you want to modify. For example, data, the most important stuff you would like to modify is the data. So when you select this, you see this layout option. So what kind of layout would you like? Title, subtitle, body, image, title and subtitle. So I just click image, title, subtitle. You do not see any image here because for my list there is no image link. So the system is not able to find. So I'll select something that really suits my requirement. So I'm going to select title and subtitle. Okay. Now when I selected title and subtitle, it's going to ask me that for subtitle which field I should pick up. So I select this created, so basically created date, and for title. Okay. Now you have more options here. How would you like to display it? Search icon is here. You want to expand it, you can expand it. You want to shrink it, you can shrink it. Search box, if you select, you have option. You can use fonts. You can change the colors. You can fill it like this. Anything. So you have all of designing options that basically you do using CSS. So because I said in advance that you don't need to have any coding knowledge to use this tool, so just by going through the UI you can work on it. So once you have designed your layout, the next option is to run this app and to find out exactly how it looks. So I'm gonna run it. This is the preview. this is how it's gonna look. This is refresh, and this is sorting. You can do sorting, and you can create a new item. So let's start with creating a new item. I create a new item. These are the fields being populated from the list. I select this, I select this, and I put a title. That's it. And I save it. Now what do you think it's gonna do? Let's see here. I have a lot of items, but I can refresh and filter out. You say this test? Yes, you are right. This is something we created now. Similarly, you want to edit an item, just select one, change it. First click on edit, and then change it. You save it, or you can go back. You want to delete an item, delete it. That's how this preview works. Once your app is ready, you can share it. So how are you gonna share it? You're gonna first save. You can give it a name, and then you can share it in the cloud, or you can share it in your computer, and you can share it with. You can save it in your machine or in the cloud, and then you can share it with the people you want. Okay. And if your app requires any external images, video, audio, you can all upload over here. For example, if I want to upload an image, I can click on image, and then these images that I insert here can be inserted at background, in forehead, or anywhere, and it's damn easy, as you have seen so far. So I hope you like this video. If you want to see more or you have any questions, get back to me and I'll answer as you go.